How is it that some people earn six figures and still live paycheck to paycheck while a janitor somehow retires with savings? Same world, same money, different results. One group keeps yelling, "I just need a raise," and the other quietly builds wealth. The truth: most people are trapped by a habit so sneaky you don't even realize it's there until your wallet cries for help. But once you see this, you'll never spend the same way again. Section 1. The real problem isn't what you think. We all love a good villain. Inflation, rent, taxes, or even that ex who borrowed money and forgot to return it. But these aren't the real enemies. The real problem is what you do every single day, those tiny little choices that quietly drain your future. Think about it: that $5 coffee, that just this once DoorDash order, that game skin you definitely needed. Individually, harmless; together, they're like mosquitoes, small but relentless. And before you know it, your paycheck has been eaten alive. Section 2. More money won't fix it. Here's the plot twist: even rich people do this. Studies show that people earning $40,000 save about 3% of their income. And people earning $200,000, same 3%. Turns out, when people make more money, they just buy more expensive versions of their bad habits. Bigger cars, fancier coffees, pricier treats. That's why 78% of lottery winners go broke. They got rid of the poor bank account but not the poor habits. More money doesn't change who you are, it just upgrades your spending speed. Section 3. The hidden habit. So, what is this invisible habit? It's called micro-outflow blindness, which sounds fancy, but it basically means you notice money coming in, but ignore the small amounts going out. Your brain lights up when you get paid, but stays half asleep when you spend $4 on an app you'll never open again. Companies know this. That's why everything's designed to be effortless: one-click purchase, buy now, pay later, free trial that never ends. They don't want you to think, because the moment you start thinking, you stop spending. Section 4. How to catch the leak. Let's fix it. Here's how to find your invisible money leak in 10 minutes. 1. Check your bank balance. Compare last month's ending balance to this month's. If your income went up but your savings didn't, bingo, you've got a leak. 2. Look at your small purchases. Sort everything under $20. If there are more of those than days in the month, that's your blind spot. 3. Ask this question: would future me thank present me for this purchase? If you hesitate, don't buy it. Even taking screenshots of your guilty purchases can help. Think of it as a wall of shame or motivation. Section 5. How to stop the leak without being miserable. You don't need to live like a monk. You just need a little friction. Make spending slightly harder and saving slightly easier. Delete saved cards from shopping apps. Typing your card info again gives your brain time to scream, "Wait, do I need this?" Try a weekly no-spend day. It's like a diet for your wallet, but less painful. Rename your accounts. Instead of checking, call it Future Me Don't Touch. Automate your savings. Move 10% of your paycheck to a separate account the moment you're paid. You can't spend what you never see. Do 2 of these for 30 days and you'll start to feel the difference. Section 6. Where to put the saved money. Now that you've stopped the leak, give your money a mission. Step 1. Build your first $1,000 emergency fund. Step 2. Start investing. Even $200 a month into a total market index fund. Section 7. Keep the habit dead. Set a 10-minute reminder every Monday. Call it Money Check Monday. Scroll through your recent transactions, spot any leaks, and fix them. And when you notice progress, celebrate it. Conclusion: most people stay broke, not because they don't earn enough, but because they're blind to where their money goes. These small leaks are painless today, but years later, they turn into regret. So fix the leak, create friction, automate your savings, and turn "I deserve it" into "my future deserves better." If this opened your eyes even a little, give the video a like, share it with someone who keeps saying "I'm broke again."